I want to spend a few moments talking about use of substances during this pandemic. You already may be dealing with a substance use disorder, working towards managing alcohol consumption, prescription medication use and abuse, and illicit drugs. Recognizing that during this pandemic, the fact may increase and may be more difficult for you to manage. I also want to address the issue related to people who may be turning to substances, again, alcohol, prescription medications, using and misusing those medications, and illicit drugs as a way of coping. It's albeit a maladaptive pattern of behavior to cope with increasing stress and anxiety, but recognizing during these unknown times because of COVID-19, during this period of time of uncertainty is when the pandemic will be over and we can restore and go back to a normal life experience. As human beings, we struggle with the management of our pain and discomfort. We're in that quick fix mentality. I want something to take care of it right now. And I will tell you honestly, substances do that. However, in the long term, the problems grow larger rather than being managed and taken care of. So we want to be taking a look at ways in which we may be turning to substances to cope. So I would encourage you to take a look at your own patterns of behavior. If you're someone that enjoys an alcoholic beverage with dinner, are you following your normal pattern of behavior and enjoying one drink or two drinks with a dinner? Or are you finding yourselves drinking more as a way to decrease your level of stress and anxiety? If you're finding yourself taking more medication than you were prescribed, more frequently than when you were prescribed, that would fall into the category of misuse. And we want to take a look at, again, how it's prescribed in our normal patterns of behavior. If you're turning to the use of illicit drugs as a means of coping, what's typical for you? Ways in which the use of those substances may in fact endanger your health and endanger your well-being. So take a look at how you're intervening with substances and the ways in which those substances may be creating problems and difficulties in your life. In this era of uncertainty, it's very important that we take a look at the appropriate strategies, the effective coping mechanisms, the strategies and interventions that will be most effective for you as we continue to deal with this unknown experience. I'm Dr. Phil Toll, and remember, together we will get through this.